Welcome to Inventions for your home, where creativity meets practicality. From revolutionary gadgets to ingenious solutions, this collection unveils a treasure trove of innovations designed to transform your living space. Whether you seek convenience, sustainability, or sheer delight, embark on a journey through these inventive marvels crafted to elevate every corner of your home. Welcome to a world where imagination knows no bounds, and the future of home living awaits. SunRoof. In Northern Europe, the year began with a sharp rise in electricity prices, causing many to rethink their energy solutions. According to a Finnish newspaper, running a dishwasher now costs around $2.60 per cycle, based on current energy prices from the stock exchange. Given this scenario, exploring solar energy options is more pertinent than ever. Enter SunRoof International, a leading innovator in solar energy solutions. Partnering with Solarzaun team, SunRoof offers cutting-edge rooftop panels capable of generating 9,200 kilowatt of energy annually from just a 49 square meter area. This efficient and sustainable approach not only helps to offset rising energy costs, but also promotes eco-friendly living. Embrace the future of energy with SunRoof International and make the smart switch to solar. Also, meanwhile, Solarzaun team is revolutionizing solar energy with their innovative solar fences. Unlike traditional setups, these fences don't need to be extensive. A mere 15 meters can produce up to 2,700 kilowatt annually. The genius of Solarzaun team's design lies in its low voltage output, ensuring safety for both people and animals. With Solarzaun, you can efficiently harness solar power while maintaining a secure and eco-friendly environment. Embrace this cutting-edge technology and power your life sustainably with Solarzaun team's solar fences. ATV14 Sport Swim Spa. Introducing the ATV14 Sport Swim Spa, a must-have for luxury homes in the Asia-Pacific and Middle East regions, where opulence is on the rise. This innovative swim spa features a protective shell with synthetic grass, artfully concealing a versatile aquatic system. Choose from various models, like the Summit, accommodating up to 7 people and offering Japanese shiatsu and Swedish massages. When empty, it weighs around half a ton and requires about 1,779 liters of water to fill, equivalent to 22 loads of laundry or 177 5-minute showers. The ATV14 Sport Swim Spa is perfect for those seeking a blend of fitness, relaxation, and luxury. Its powerful jets provide a dynamic swimming environment, while ergonomic seating and therapeutic jets offer ultimate comfort. Designed for durability and energy efficiency, this swim spa is an excellent addition to any high-end property, promising both wellness and relaxation in one sophisticated package. Experience unparalleled aquatic luxury with the ATV14 Sport Swim Spa. Just Video Walls. Introducing Just Video Walls, the ultimate solution for immersive visual experiences. As pioneers in the video wall industry, we believe that video walls are the future of display technology, and the future is now. Transform your home or office with our deluxe micro LED system, available for immediate installation. Our standard version features a powerful processor capable of displaying images at a stunning resolution of up to 5,120 by 2,160 pixels at 60 Hz. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with HDR10 mode, which enhances contrast and brightness for a truly dynamic viewing experience. Choose from various aspect ratios, including 16.9, 2.4.1, and 24.9. Need something unique? We offer custom configurations, such as a 32.9 aspect ratio or a diagonal size exceeding 5.8 meters, tailored to your exact specifications. Reliability is our hallmark, which is why Just Video Walls is the official video wall provider for the Twin Peaks restaurant franchise. Trust us to deliver exceptional performance and durability for all your display needs. Elevate your visual experience with Just Video Walls, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled customization. Cellfast IDEAL. Introducing the Cellfast IDEAL, the ultimate solution for smart and sustainable garden irrigation. Harness the power of collected rainwater to keep your garden lush and thriving, while saving water and reducing your environmental footprint. With a few key components, you can create an efficient and automated irrigation system tailored to your needs. Start with our digital timer, a versatile tool that allows you to control your irrigation schedule with precision. Set the duration of your watering sessions and select the type of irrigation you require, from gentle misting to deep soaking. The digital timer features a weekly schedule option, enabling you to program specific watering modes for each day of the week, ensuring your plants receive the right amount of water at the right time. For those who prefer simplicity, we offer a basic timer that operates like a kitchen timer. This user-friendly device lets you set watering times for up to 120 minutes, making it easy to manage your garden without fuss. To direct the water precisely where it's needed, the Cellfast IDEAL system includes adjustable sprinklers. With a range of 20 to 360 degrees, these sprinklers can cover every corner of your garden, ensuring even and efficient distribution of water. Enhance your garden's health and beauty with the Cellfast IDEAL, a smart irrigation solution that combines technology, convenience, and sustainability. Make the most of every drop of rainwater and enjoy a flourishing garden all year round. Ring Smart Lighting. Illuminate your home with Ring's latest smart lighting products, designed to boost security from your doorstep. Seamlessly integrating with your home security system, these lights are equipped with motion sensors. They effortlessly connect with cameras and doorbells, enhancing your surveillance network. Priced at just $30, they detect motion within a 140-degree angle over a 4.5-meter range. Receive notifications via Alexa about both expected and unexpected visitors. Plus, each post requires only 4D batteries annually, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Enhance your home security with Ring Smart Lighting Solutions. Bluu Automatic Umbrella. Meet the Bluu, the patio umbrella that redefines outdoor comfort. With a remote control and a powerful 10,400 mAh battery, Bluu offers unmatched convenience. Open and close the umbrella from up to 20 meters away, while also doubling as a power bank. Enhance your outdoor experience with this game-changing innovation. However, Bluu isn't the only player in town. Explore the competition and discover why Bluu stands out as the ultimate choice for luxurious outdoor living. Competitors: the Ultimate Patio Umbrella. Above height. Priced at $530, it surpasses competitors with its premium features. In addition to a remote control, it boasts a solar panel and built-in lighting for added convenience. Plus, with a wind sensor, Above Height automatically closes during inclement weather, ensuring safety and durability. Elevate your outdoor experience with Above Height and enjoy unmatched comfort and peace of mind. Snow melting. In Canada, where heavy snowfall is a regular occurrence, innovative solutions are essential for managing the winter months. Take Quebec, for example, where snow can accumulate over 3 meters from December to April. To combat this challenge, Canadian engineers have developed a remarkable system known as snow melting. This revolutionary system covers more than 3,000 square meters of area, effectively eliminating the need for manual snow removal tools, like shovels. What sets snow melting apart is its exceptional efficiency and effectiveness. It consumes 40% less energy compared to other systems while providing fully automated operation. One of the system's remarkable features is its ability to extend the lifespan of pavements. By keeping surfaces consistently clear of snow and ice, it minimizes the wear and tear caused by freeze-thaw cycles. Furthermore, snow melting is compatible with various surfaces, including paving stones, offering versatility and adaptability to different urban landscapes. Although the specifics of the technology remain confidential, it's evident that snow melting represents a groundbreaking solution for winter maintenance. With its efficiency, reliability, and ability to tackle even the harshest winter conditions, it's no wonder that Canadian cities are embracing this exclusive system to keep their neighborhoods safe and accessible during the winter months. Solatube. Solatube stands as a beacon of innovation in the global market, serving Fortune 500 companies and illuminating spaces across more than 100 countries. With a track record of enhancing the lives of over 2 million people worldwide, their core business revolves around an ingenious solution: tubular skylights. These innovative devices are hailed as a revolutionary means to infuse natural sunlight into virtually any indoor space. What sets Solatube apart is its commitment to simplicity and effectiveness. With just 2 hours of installation, any room can be transformed into a brighter, more energy-efficient environment. The beauty lies in the versatility of their products. Even their basic 750 DSC tunnel can span up to 15 meters, making it an ideal choice for large areas with high ceilings, such as conference rooms or classrooms. But it's not just about the product, it's about the service. Solatube's team of experts ensures a seamless experience, from providing quick and accurate pricing to delivering same-day installation. With Solatube, the promise of a brighter space isn't just a dream. It's a reality that can be achieved swiftly and effortlessly. Phantom Screens. Phantom Screens' journey from a garage startup to a global leader parallels the trajectory of tech behemoth Apple. While Apple reshaped computing and communication, Phantom Screens redefined comfort and convenience with its innovative retractable screens. Despite competitors entering the market, Phantom Screens maintains its status as the premier choice, renowned for its unparalleled quality and customization. Every Phantom Screen order is meticulously tailored to suit the unique specifications of the room and the preferences of the client. Whether it's a set of French doors, panoramic windows, or a sprawling patio, Phantom Screens has the expertise and versatility to provide the perfect solution. Their commitment to excellence knows no bounds, with installations and representatives spanning from Canada to New Zealand. Much like Apple's transformative impact on technology, Phantom Screens has revolutionized the way people experience indoor-outdoor living. With their dedication to craftsmanship and customer satisfaction, Phantom Screens continues to set the standard for retractable screen solutions worldwide. Q-Bic Plus. Q-Bic Plus by Waven is a state-of-the-art solution engineered to fortify your home against the perils of heavy rainfall. Its ingenious design allows for a hassle-free installation process, albeit requiring initial groundwork, wherein the lightweight plastic cubes are assembled like building blocks, offering unparalleled versatility in configuration to cater to your specific property layout and drainage needs. Once in place, Q-Bic Plus acts as a formidable barrier against flooding and water damage. Its innovative structure facilitates swift water absorption into the soil, mitigating the risk of your home being inundated during intense downpours. Whether connected to existing sewer systems or relying on the ground's natural drainage capacity, this system ensures efficient water management, even in the face of substantial water volumes. Bid farewell to the anxiety of potential flooding and safeguard your home with Q-Bic Plus. Embrace the peace of mind that comes with knowing your property is shielded against nature's onslaught, courtesy of this cutting-edge solution from Waven.